Officials made the first stop at the Lake Road Clinic, an unlicensed facility that reportedly carries out numerous illegal abortions. Owners of the facility use unregistered equipment in carrying out operations. Registrar at the Health Facilities Regulatory Agency, Dr. Philip Banner, explained what the team found at this facility.
We got the complaints that they were doing abortions and other gynecologic procedures. So they've been on our radar for a long time, but they've managed to elude, I won't say arrest, but to come into compliance. So we thought that we'd given them enough time, and when we went there, we saw several, equipment that have been used. It seems they're being used, but it doesn't seem that they've been washed at all or cleaned. Some were quite dirty. We saw the operating table. We saw the shape that was in. We saw some of the utensils or some of the bowls these were quite crude, something you may even find in your kitchen or worse. So those were the things, the reports we were getting. That is why we were drawn there. Oh, it's clearly illegal because the clinic is not licensed. So anything that occurs in an unlicensed facility is illegal. Legality is a legal word, of course, but it's unapproved. And so if it's unlicensed, then it's not appropriate for you to conduct any procedure in an unapproved facility.
The operation, according to officials of the Health Facilities Regulatory Agency, HEFRA, was to help sanitize the health sector and eliminate substandard facilities. At the Medicines Medical Laboratory at Bantima, the owner of the facility could not produce a license when the team visited the place.
They haven't issued your license yet.
They gave me a number, which is, what do you call it? A code. Okay. And then the code was given me. Let me look at it. I have everything, so let's wait.
So where are they?
It's not here. I said I traveled to Accra and what's in my bag? Okay, I was to go to the office and I couldn't meet them. So I came back and it's in my bag. So do I bring the bag here?
Initially, down there.
Yeah, I thought it's here, but it's not found here.
Okay. For how long have you been practicing?
The team also closed down the Crispat Hearing Center, the Castro Home Care, EchoScan Diagnostic, Osborne Diagnostics, and Sonoscan and Focus Medical Diagnostic Center. Dr. Banner says the exercise was not targeted at private facilities but was aimed at ensuring best practices in the health sector.
We are not doing this because we want to have some interest in closing some people's businesses down. That is not our interest at all. In fact, we want to see more people attracted or engaged in the healthcare sector. We want more private competition or more private participation. But at the same time, we want to make sure that we adhere to quality standards. We want to promote quality. That's all it's about. You don't want to go and have a scan in a place where the place is unlicensed. You don't know what kind of equipment they are using. You don't even know the quality of the imaging they are giving to you and who is even doing the interpretation of the images that they capture.
HEFRA was established in 2011 by the Health Institutions and Facilities Act 2011, Act 892, to license health facilities for the provision of public and private health care services. The 14 persons who were arrested are in police custody to assist in investigations. Unlicensed facilities like this one, which have been shut down by officials of HEFRA, are located close to hospitals and their services are highly patronized by members of the public. From Kumasi in the Ashanti region, Hafiz Tijani for Citi News.